Good day, my friends. Today we want to look at an important topic in a solar installation, and that is why at this time we want to teach on how to program or set your charge controller. It's very important. At this point we want to use the Felicity charge controller. Now, what are we going to set? Number one, we want to see how to configure the charge controller to charge a lithium battery. Number two, we want to configure the charging current. The default charging current sometimes is lower than the current that the inverter needed to charge the battery, and that is why we want to look at it. Now follow me. Now as I show you, look at this one. Is Felicity lithium battery, 5 kilowatts lithium battery. This one too is Felicity lithium battery, and this is the charge controller that control it. Follow me to the screen. You have a point at the screen of the Felicity charge controller. You just press this point. As you press it, just like maybe 5 seconds, press it like 5 seconds, you will see that this one will show escape, and you will see the 2 BPM at the center. At this point, you have to just tap it. The moment you tap it like this, you realize that it will change to charging current. You see CHC, charging current, and this charging current is 0-1, and at this point it's 120. You want to set it to 100 now. Look at how you do it. As you press it for 5 seconds, this changes, start blinking. The moment the 120 start blinking, you tap it again. As you tap it, as you can see now, it's changed to 10 amps. That is to tell you that 120 amps is the highest that I've changed, set this one to now. 120 amps is the highest. Now we want to change it from this 10 now and take it back to that 120. As you tap it like this, it's changed to 11. Tap it again, change to 12. Tap it again. As it's going, that is how it will be going. You are moving, you are moving, you are moving, you are moving. As you see it, it's clear that it's 37 amps now. We are moving, and don't forget that we are going to 120 amps. You can set it to 80 amps, and we are going to 120. One 117, 118, 119, 120. Do you see it now? As you press this one, as you get to the 120, you press it down again. This one, the blinking will change. As this 0.1 is coming and going, you tap it once, it will change to battery types. So at this point, if your battery is not a lithium battery, you cannot tap it. At this time, if your battery is not a lithium battery, you press it and hold for like 5 seconds. The lithium battery will start blinking. As it blink, you tap it once. This AGM. Second time, this floor battery. Third is users define. If you put it on this users define, it can charge lithium battery, it can charge other batteries. That is probably always the default programming, the default of the every charge controller. Now as you press it again, now as you can see, it is on that users define. So I want to change it from this users define to lithium battery now, so that it will be charging the lithium battery. As I just tap it once, the lithium battery has come up. So this is, you now okay it. as you okay it, it has accepted. So just follow us on YouTube so that you will see how you can program your charge controller. This Felicity product, other products we can show you how to program in the subsequent class. Thank you.